Alright, hey guys, this is Markan and this is the updated result from the waterfall with vibe coding with Bing AI. This is the updated result. Let's see. As you can see, I added a lot here, and this is quite a lot of features. Well, I can change the hue for the water, for example, saturation value. I don't know, I can, for example, change the opacity. And this time I used splats. I mean, if you want to use a splat, best to play it here. I kind of fade the model and then I played with the splats here, but the major features for splats are also available here. You can change the basic shapes as well, right? For example, I write a sphere and you get a sphere, you know. But if you don't like a sphere, you can write cube, which I think cube works better here than, you know, splats. Yeah. Well, there are resolution control. You know, we can control the resolution. I think number 4 is the best. You can obviously change the shape of the object, and there are checkpoints which you can move around the flow of the water. And in the future I want to add some splash and mist when the water hits the ground or the river. And yeah, there are lots of features I managed to add with the help of vibe coding with Bing AI. The ideas are myself, and the coding is mostly with Bing AI, and it's here. You know, I talk and it adds, and I also use Visual Studio Code, and there are tons of also extensions here, but they're not really that great as Bing AI. Bing AI was one of the best for me, and mixing it with others also works really great. Quen is also good, the new Gemini AI is also good, but this is really fun, vibe coding with AI. This is the progress so far I made with my waterfall, and it's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys later. Where is it? Yeah. Goodbye.